Building a new home, but your house hasn't sold yet? Or maybe you don't have the best credit to tap into your house equity. The Sell Now, Move Later program allows you to sell your home and lease it back on a month-to-month basis for up to 12 months. Here's how it works. We buy your home at market value and close on an agreed date. To hedge our investment, we'll hold on average 8% of your equity in a contingency account. You stay put as a renter. Once you've moved out, we'll put the house on the market. When the house sells, if it sells for the same price, we return your contingency funds. If the house sells for less, we deduct the difference from the contingency account. And if the house sells for more, we'll return your contingency funds and we'll give you any additional proceeds. Sell now, move later.